Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Hakathma East Pakistan, Lane Kathma Bangladesh, Yakinong Bangladesh, La aja kasa da ka sorkar, Rynjah, Nrekat kum ka jingti bynta, Kila don kinong Bangladesh, Kibala dino yaki jaka syong jaka sa jongki, Rynjah, Kumta, Uba Ardent, Ula bu jingkeli ya minister, Uba dekmi ya ka revenue department, Uba kermen sela, Mano badi ya ka revenue land, Rynjah, ïathuh ya ka kyrteng jongki, Teperlok, Sengap ya ka jubab jong uba kermen sela, Kumno ujubab ya uba Ardent.
Mr. Speaker, sir, answer to start question number 167. Sir, the total number of people and organization who were allotted land at revenue land is 2,426.
Honorable please, pardon, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to know the names of individuals and organization who had been allotted. Since the number is huge, sir, may I request the Honorable Minister to please lay it on the table of the House.
Sir, pointed it, sir.
Okay, sir, my second question. Sir, I was recently told that certain individuals, I mean to say the Bangladesh refugees who were allotted land in Rynjah have sold away the revenue land. So how can these individuals sell away the land which the government provided them as shelter in the event of the war of liberation of Pakistan, East Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh? Therefore, sir, since the area where these lands were allotted are the revenue land, so may I know the names of these individuals who sold away the lands in revenue land at Rynjah?
Sir, the rule under the regulation, the land Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1886. Under this regulation, sir, the settlement of land or lease of land is applicable. Sir, when it comes to the name of all those persons who sell the land, so I don't have the list with me as of myself, so I require notice for that.
Yes, please.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, out of 2,426 individuals and organizations according to the list that the government has given, may I know out of this, how many, is there any land that has been allotted to member of this August House or relative of the member of this August House, sir?
Sir, whenever we allot any land to any person, provided he has all the document required, and then we follow all the rules as per guided by the Land Transfer Act. So if the person, for us, we don't have any notice knowing that a person is belonging to the family of the August House, but for us, our concern is that whenever we transfer in land or lease the land, it has to be proper guided by the Land Transfer Act, sir. So I don't have any list of the August House members, families who are allotted the land, so I require notice for that, sir. But in my knowledge, we don't have that, sir. If the honorable member have, please kindly you can express it.
So may I know the rate of these, the rate of lease of these revenue land?
Yes, sir. We have the different amount. Please give me some time, sir. Please give me some time, sir. I have the list with me. I have so many documents. Sir, for the purpose of religious and charitable purpose, unencroachment land, 5% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement. For encroached land, 25% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement. For the purpose of socio-cultural and agricultural purpose, 10% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement for the unencroached land. For the encroached land, 45% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement. For the purpose of residential purpose, 50% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement, that is unencroached land, and for the encroached land, 100% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement. For commercial purpose, 100% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement, that is for encroached land, and 150% of the market value of the land at the time of settlement, that is encroached land.
Baroni, please.
Sir, yesterday
You raised your hand, no?
Pardon, sir?
You raised your hand, right? You raised your hand.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll not create precedent anymore, sir. Sir, yesterday we were discussing about alienation of land. Sir, is there any revenue land being alienated in the sense that, being illegally encroached? For example, we have revenue land in Upper Shillong, we have revenue land in and around Shillong. Is there any revenue land being encroached? Because the government, so we've seen in the course of discussion during this session, the government is trying to create a land bank. But sir, if we already have land and they're being illegally encroached, for example, sir, I'll give you an example. I've seen in the media just about a week back, there's some group, questioning whether Maxwellton Estate is being illegally encroached or not. And similar land in and around Shillong, sir. Because land is so precious and the government intends to take up many projects. If we have this land, sir, then, we need not, spend huge amount to acquire land, sir. So may I ask from the Honorable Minister, are there any land, revenue land, being encroached illegally by illegal, settlers?
Mr. Speaker, sir, when it comes to any encroachment by individuals to the revenue land, so then this the procedure needs to be followed. It goes to the court, and if the court give the orders that this land belongs to them, then we have no claim. But most of the time, from our side, sir, we make sure that none of our land, especially the government land, will go to the individuals without having a proper documents. And we make sure, sir, that we'll protect our land, not only the government land, even the scheduled land. That is our priority, sir.
Sorry, one more. Okay.
Sir, I asked the Honorable Minister, are there any revenue land being illegally encroached? And sir, he's given a different reply. Can I get a reply to that answer, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually, there are some person trying to encroach the land, but as of now, they are not been entitled to get the land. So as of now, it's still under the process of, those people, they might have gone to the court, and from our side, we stick with our stand that this land belongs to the government. So for this, we'll carry on, sir.
Sir, may I know, the land that is, under litigation between the government and those illegal settlers, sir, if the member can provide, if not today, also later on, sir.
Yes, sir. Point noted, sir.
Barbara, sir, please. Since he has raised this earlier. So. You may speak.
Thank you, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister, is it a fact that huge plot of government land at Forest Colony Shillong is occupied by individuals who are not employees of Forest Department? If yes, the names of such persons?
I don't have the details, sir. I require notice for this.
Ardent, please. Your last question. I think
No,
we
no,
have
sir.
already four.
Just cause 3.
No, 4. Already 4.
Please, sir.
Last one.
Okay, sir, I have, because I just wanted to, this is not a question, a clarification on the reply of the minister, sir. Because in the course of his reply, when I asked about the rate, he's mentioned about the encroached land. Encroached land and the rate of those encroached land. But what I want exactly is the lease, the rate of lease of these revenue lands, sir. A very simple question, sir. Before I ask my last question, sir.
Sir, the rate of lease as of now, I don't have it with me, so I misplaced it, so I require notice for this.
So my last question is the rule allow construction of permanent buildings on such government lands, sir?
Pardon, sir?
Is the rule allow for construction of permanent building on government land, such government lands?
Yes, sir, it's allowed to.
By the lessee.
Yes, it's allowed, sir, to construct building, permanent building.